me create first one securities account. Then we'll see the same process. Okay, first let me create one securities account. So let me create the new one securities account. Okay, this we have already. Okay, we have already created. Okay, let me go back and let me create securities class. Let me create the securities class which is going to represent that. Okay, which stock we are going to buy. Let me select this one 19. Okay, so the product type, let me give that this product type, then short text ABC Limited. Okay, so we are buying the shares of ABC Limited. Okay, then let me continue, create this one. Then general classification, we can choose which one we want. Equity fund, let me choose this one. Then go to the basic data. Issuer, who is the issuer? Okay, so for this one, let me select this one. Issue currency INR. Okay, we should have the, okay, what I will do for this business partner, I will change the name here. The BP, right? This is the BP. Select the general data. Business partner general data. Let me select, let me change here. ABC ABC Limited. Save here. Okay, so this is a business partner which they are going to issue the shares. Okay, securities type, then it's not required. Then condition type, come to the condition type. So the condition type, the dividend, what we have discussed. Okay, how much percentage which they are going to issue. Then effective from when, if it is applicable, if they are going to issue dividend, then let us see the dividend amount. Let me enter the amount one for time being. Then let me enter the due date. Frequency, let me enter. Okay, every yearly, every two once in a yearly they are going to issue the dividend. Okay, so then come to the exchange. Okay, which exchange the product has been listed, the equity, currency INR, the currency, then swaps and all. This is not required again. Just check it before going to save. Now it's a data is okay, is consistent. There is no inconsistency. Then let me save this one. Okay, so now what we have done, we have created the securities identification number. This is the number. Then okay, so then I am going to create the new deal. FTR underscore create, then give the product. Then here is the business partner is the 84, sorry, 82. Then give the, okay, this is the mandatory. The securities identification number we have not yet given for other than this securities. I think securities for derivatives also, the securities identification number is to be mandatory. Okay, so but for other than this one, for money market forex, we have not yet given. Even this is not the required one. When we are going to talk about the securities, then this is the mandatory one. Okay, now let me enter here. Is being processed. Okay, fine. I only locked this one. Let me come out here. Okay. Okay. Now this is the demat account. Understand here. Okay. Once again, I am repeating. Okay. Now this this is our organization. this is the equity. So equity is the ABC Limited. We are buying the shares of ABC Limited. Our TRM is buying the shares of ABC Limited. Okay. So then the transaction type is 100. Then the partner. Okay. I mean partner. I need to change this one. The description I need to change this one. Business partner also I will change this one. Okay. Then flow type is a purchase transaction. Okay, so this is the demat account. You can see here, this is our demat account. Then let me select the class calculation date 23/02 2020 23 here. So number of units. Okay, how many number of shares which we are going to buy. Okay, let us assume is a 20,000 shares which we are going to buy. Okay, what is the price per unit? Okay, price per unit, the cost would be a, let me enter is a 100 rupees. Okay, so then we are buying, no need to enter this value and our system automatically it will calculate. Then go to the trading data. Okay, contact person not required. Then if it is a trader is applicable, you can maintain the trader. Come to the administration data, then enter the portfolio, which one under which portfolio you want to show this product. Then come here, the flow type as I have explained here. If you would like to charge any additional some commission, okay, some tax, some security transaction charges, okay, which you want to charge, you can mention straightforward. You just mention the amount here. Okay, let me mention amount is the 5,000 rupees. Okay, so the payment currency is a Indian rupees. Then the payment details, because since we have already maintained this in the BP, so automatically which are coming. Then come to the cash flows. Now this is the outgoing amount. This is also outgoing amount, the commission. Let us check the if there are any errors. Okay, so then create automatically. Okay, create automatically. Then no account assignment reference was found. Okay, fine. This is all that's expected. Now check carried out successfully. Then save it. Okay, now this is the deal what it has been created. Okay, 5005. Now the as per the practice, what we need to do, edit, then settle the deal. Okay, and once the settlement will happen, then only we can able to post the flows and all. Okay, now let me, because if you can come and see here in the flows, we have these flows. I mean, now I am there in settlement, so that is the reason the flows is released already. Okay, until and unless if I save, then only it will allow us to move forward. Okay, now what I have done, we have settled the deal has been settled here. Okay, now once the settlement will happen, what we need to do, we need to post the flows. Post the flows is nothing but a, okay, now how many quantities which I have purchased. Okay, let me display this one. Let it keep this one in display mode. Now we have purchased is the, okay, to 20,000 units we have purchased, 20,000 shares we have purchased. Per share the rate is 100 rupees. Okay, the total amount what we can see here is the 20 lakhs rupees. Okay, this amount we must have to record in our system. Okay, we have to, okay, record in our books of accounts. Then slash n TBB1 is the transaction code. So this is the deal number. This is the deal number. Okay, first, I mean, this is and all not applicable. Okay, even derivatives also, you can select only the securities and they give the deal number, then let it be test run mode only. Then we'll execute the, let's see that what would be the accounting entry. Still, why it is not, account assignment reference was not found. Again, somebody has done this one. Check here once again. Let me check here slash n TPM1 or TPM3. TPM3. Let me check here. Assignment reference. Let me assign this one. Okay, now it is there. Okay, fine. So go back here. Not then I will create. I need to create one more. Okay, now now you can see here. Okay, now one hint here. You can understand here what I have done earlier. Okay, I mean what exactly I did here. Okay, so now TPM3 is the transaction code TPM3. Okay, so then you just execute here. What will happen? The account assignment reference, you need to, before going to what system was throwing that the error message, there is no account assignment reference. Okay, in case if the account assignment wrong also, then you go to TPM3 transaction code, you just execute, okay, for this combination of this product type. Okay, then what system will display? System will display the, okay, which account assignment reference is applicable for this product type. Okay, in case if you want which one you want, you can select from the drop down and click on save. But make sure that, okay, as soon as once you assign this account assignment determination here, what you need to do, you must have to maintain the account determination in treasury with this account assignment reference only. Okay, mandatory. Without that, the system will not determine. Okay, system will not identify or system will not post. Okay, just that is a one hint. Okay, now you can see here it is only capitalized only 200 105 200 investment on shares. Okay, bank current account. Okay, so now you can see here the accounting entries, how the accounting entries. Here we can see the two accounting entries. One is a investment on shares. This is the GL account is debiting here. Then this is the bank account. Okay, our bank account is crediting where the money is going out. The transaction you can see 50 here. 50 is the credit is our bank account. Now the similar way, now the same is the now investment on shares. Okay, this is the commission. Okay, for this is the one, the commission. Okay, the commission which is going out, then this is the again our bank account, it is crediting here. Okay, let me go back here. Oh, sorry, TBB1, then give your product, then come here, then remove the test run option, then execute here. Yeah, I'm processing this one. Need to come out here. Let me process this one. Okay, now the accounting entries which has been posted. Now, how can we see the accounting entries? /n TPM20 is the transaction code to see the accounting entries. Okay, now give the class which one you want. Okay, or else you can specify the, or you can give the deal number also. Okay, then execute here. Now you can come back and see here. So these are the documents what system has been posted here. Okay, one is the investment, another one is a bank account where we are paying. Okay, then this is the one again, this is the one is the commission. Okay, then bank account, I think here is the commission. I mean we need to change the GL account, but the accounting entry it is correct, because for commission payable this account it is not the correct account. This is the expenses account. We must have to map here the expense GL account. One thing I would say here. Okay, so the maybe other account determination somebody might have changed. Okay, so that could be the reason the system is deriving this is the GL account. Okay, but in terms of accounting entry perspective, it is correct only. Okay, one is that what is debit is expenses, credit is our bank account since the amount is going out. Okay, now what we have invested, the amount is a, okay, let me go back here once again, let me display here. Okay, what will happen now once the entries will be posted up to here? Okay, what we have done, we have purchased a number of shares, then with raise with 100 rupees, then this is the total amount. Okay, Okay, when the purchase happened on 23rd of February, on 23rd of February. So on 23rd of February, the share we have purchased is 100 rupees. Okay, but now we want to carry the position long term. Long term is nothing but okay, I want to hold that position. Okay, maybe for 1 year or 2 years or long term. I don't know when I want to exit the position. Okay, once the I'm expecting the share price at this moment is 100 rupees, it may go 150 rupees, until 150 rupees, until to reach the share 150 rupees I need to hold, or else I will keep long term purpose only. Okay, now once this is done, then every month end what we need to do, every month end we need to perform the revaluation. Okay, so the revaluation, for what purpose the revaluation we need to perform? Okay, so the revaluation today we have purchased. Okay, now maybe month end, once the February month end will come into picture, maybe this price may go up, may go down. Okay, this is a depends on the market situations. So the management or whoever is working in the treasury department, they want to know what is the current status of the position. Okay, so we are expecting that that may go up, but instead of that one, due to something some there was some bad news on behalf of this organization, so maybe that may go down also. So in such situation, okay, how, whether we need to continue that same position for long time, or we need to exit the position, we need to square off. Okay, that decision will taken by the management. Okay, but now let us see the valuation, how we can do the valuation. Okay, so to valuation purpose, then let me come back here. Then there is a transaction code FW17. What we need to do? Okay, here is the security prices. Okay, we have already seen about a security price. Security prices, open price. Okay, if I go inside of this one, there are different price types are there. Okay, see, spot price, opening price, bid price, ask price, closing price, tax. Okay, year end, market high, market low, 52 weeks high, annual high is nothing but a 52 weeks high, 52 weeks low. Okay, record high, record low, all these prices, even it is available in, okay, if you want to search for in the Google also, the same prices are available. Okay, now what is the price, today's price? Okay, then what will be the month end price? We have to maintain the prices. Okay, the prices information in real time, we are no need to maintain by manually. Okay, as I have explained in previous sessions. Okay, we just talked about the interfaces. Okay, right? So how we can connect the interfaces? With help of the interface, the market rates will be updated automatically here. Remember, I think for our example purpose, for our interface, okay, we talked about the Bloomberg interface. Okay, just remember. Now just click on the display, then 21st of 23rd, okay, sorry, 23rd of, what is the price is the, okay, then, okay, let me market price. Okay, so the market price is a 100 rupees, 100 rupees. Then I just have entered here is a, this is the, because since we are entering first time, so that is the reason. Okay, high and low it is showing. Okay, now let me first save this one, then let me add one more price. Remember, the next price would be, we must have to add the bid price. Okay, then only the system will, okay, the system will allow you to perform the revaluation. Okay, now without adding that one, let us see that one. Okay, whether system will perform the revaluation or not. Okay, let me come back here on the one more screen, then go to the TPM. Sorry, TPM1 is the transaction code for the month end revaluation. Okay, then here, come here, let us see the test run mode only, the results. Okay, 28th, 31st. Okay, because since the revaluation should perform on 28th, 28th is my month end date, then the same entry should get reverse on first of, I mean, okay, sorry, first I will give here is the, okay, 01/03/2023. Okay, now select here is the mid-year valuation with reset. Okay, there are multiple options are there, which one is applicable you can select, but most of the cases we can select this one. Then let it be test run mode only. Okay, then execute here. what system will say. Okay, then select this one. Okay, it's a something different than, okay, the perform the revaluation. Select this one, then run the valuation. Let's see, still I am in test run mode only. Okay, one more error occurred during the valuation run. Okay, fine, let us see the what is the error. Okay, what is the error? Now you can see the total cost. Okay, what is the error? Come here and click here. Now you can see an error occurred by the valuation step. What I told you, okay, we must have to maintain the price type is a 3. What is the price type 3 here? If I come here, the price type 3 is the bid price. We must have to maintain what would be the price on 28th of February. Okay, so that is what, okay, I just want to show you prior to maintain the, okay, this error. Okay, let me go back here. Let me go back once again. Then let me maintain the price 28th. Okay, 28th of February. Come here, maintain the price. Okay, now let me maintain here is the 10. Okay, 1110. Okay, the price has gone. Now here it, okay, let me enter. Now you can see here the it has been changed here. Okay, now this should be reflected. Let me save here. Let me, okay, now let me execute. Still I am in test run only. Remember, still I am in test run only. Let us see the results. Okay, even you can also try the similar way. If there are any errors before executing the production run, we can able to resolve those errors. Okay, still there is a one more error. What is that? Let's see that one. Okay, so update type for the position management 1203 not defined. Assign update types for the valuation. What is this one? 203. 03 we have already defined. 1203 securities valuation. So field, okay, field number R200. Okay, for 1203 field number R200. Okay, let me come back here where we can see R securities valuation V R200. Here it is missing R200. Okay, then let me 100 R201. Okay, so R201 is the reversal. Okay, see, now don't confuse here. Okay, I will tell you the logic here. Okay, when we are performing the revaluation, okay, see, now what we are doing here, we are just evaluating the product. Okay, so the when we are performing the valuation 28th of February, the same accounting entry should get reversed on 1st of next month. Okay, so that is the reason R stands for reset. You can see here. Okay, so R200 which is not there. Okay, let me select here which one is P. Two-step price valuation. P only I could see. Okay, VR it is there. VR 200. Where is this one? A reset valuation security write up. VR 200. Okay, VR. Somebody see this and all. It's a standard settings only. I don't know who is deleting all these things. Let me come back. Let me come back here. Step back. One step back. Let me execute here. Still I'm in test run only. That is the reason. Still what is the error? Another occurred. Okay, valuation step. Okay, what is this one? Another occurred with the valuation step, analyzing the error. Okay, let me go back. Let me check here. As error occurred, what is the technical details? Okay, posting log something it has been okay. Now no GL account assigned for this account symbol 4.9.4.4. What is this exactly? Let's see in our Excel sheet. Sorry, not this one. This 4.9.4. What is that one? Did we maintain or not? 4.9.4. Okay. 4.9.4. Okay. Not sure what is that one. Okay. Let us maintain the 4.9.4.4. What is this one? I click this one. Let me go here. Define account determination. Here. Check here. 4.9.4. 4.9.44 write up for the revenue. Okay, so here we are gaining the, I mean, in the month end, what is happening here? Okay, let me explain you here. If you can see here, what system is trying to do, when we purchase the shares is 100 rupees, then when we are valuation, when we are performing valuation, it's a 110 rupees, the current market price on 28th of February. So the price has gone high. Okay, so that is the reason 4.9.4.4. Okay, you can see here, you can 4.44. See, write up revenues. Okay, so the system is treating that is a 10 rupees appreciation. The share appreciation value is the revenue for us. Okay, so the system is looking for that difference is system would like to post into separate GL account. Okay, let me select which one is bank loss on shares, profit on sale on shares, sale on shares, profit on sale on shares. This is the profit sale on shares, sale of shares, brokerage. Okay, will do. I will give this account. Okay, info required 300, 30 dividend income. Okay, we'll create one more GL account. Action FS 00 32 TRM. Profit on revaluation. Okay, other fields are quite common. Then let me maintain this GL account. Right. Oh, sorry, 300, 132, sorry. Then let me save this one. Let me go back. Now, sorry. Now let me execute. Still I'm in test run only. Still the error. What is this error? Maybe account assignment missing or what? See, that is what I was expected, right? CO account assignment, which is missing for this one, 300, 132. Still it is a CO related. Then go to the OKB9 transaction code. Let me maintain the CO. Okay. Then go to the, this is the one, right? This is the GL account. Then let me go to the OKB9 slash OKB9. Why? Because we have already maintained. Select the same. Save it. Okay. Then this let me go back here. Then let me execute. Now that error should go off. Now you can see here what system is trying to do here. Now you can just observe here, because still I am in test run only. This was the value. Okay, 20 lakhs, okay, 5,000 rupees, including the charges. This was the total investment cost. Okay, so including the commission and all. Okay, now you can see here, 1,95,000 rupees, the system it is showing here. Okay, this is the valuation. Okay, now the total cost is a, okay, 22 lakhs. How it has become 22 lakhs? Okay, now each share price has gone. Okay, let me go here, let me display. Okay, now each share we have purchased is a 20,000 shares. 20,000 into, okay, 20,000 into 10 rupees. Now you can see here it's a 22 lakhs. Okay, even here you can see here 22 lakhs. This is not considered. I mean, total is a 20 lakh 5,000 rupees. This was the price for our investment value. This is the value which has got appreciated, okay, because of holding. Then this is the total value. Now it has become. Now let me go back. Then let me post to the remove the test run option. Let me execute. Then select this one. Okay, if you have a multiple, you can select this way. Otherwise, system automatically it will post. Then run the valuation. What system has done? System has posted the accounting entries. Okay, now here we are not able to see the GL account. To which GL account the system has been posted. Now let me come back and see the TPM20/n TPM20 TPM20. Let it be the securities account identification number. Now you can come back and see the accounting entries here. Okay, now so which GL to which GL account it has been posted? Investment on shares, profit on revaluation. What you can see here, profit on revaluation. Then the same accounting entry it has been posted and it has been reversed profit. And now you can see here investment account, this has been debited, profit on revaluation. Okay, then the same accounting entry, the same it has been debited. I mean, again it has been credited here. Okay, investment on shares here. Now if you want, you can go inside of this one, you can check the accounting entries. This is the process flow of the, okay, then what will happen? Now this is the purchase, this is the purchases of the shares. Okay, what we need to do every month, and we need to perform, okay, the same revaluation until when you are holding the positions. Okay, now let us assume if you want to sell the shares. Okay, what we were doing in earlier, okay, so directly we were able to performing 200. Okay, the transaction type 200 we were able to performing. Okay, but now here you need to sell, you need to have a separate deal. Okay, we need to have a separate deal for this one. Then how many quantity which you are selling, okay, on behalf of this